Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and by the title of this video, you know we're going to be doing our eyebrows today. Shout out to Chelsea for threading my eyebrows. And we're going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills dark brown brow powder and this brush right here, which is also from Anastasia, which is number 7B, which the letters are like rubbed off, so I'm sorry you guys. But anyways, what I'm just gonna be doing, since my eyebrows are already done, and when I don't do my eyebrows, they tend to get a little bit thicker when I fill them in, but since they're nice and clean right now, I'm just going in and filling in any sparse areas. And yeah, I'm just gonna be dragging the product to the front as I go. But you don't want to go into the front of your eyebrow when you start. You want to go from the back and work your way forward. And of course you're gonna want to be brushing out everything, because you don't want anything to look crazy, you know. And my eyebrow hairs are like really thin, and they have thinned out throughout the years, so that's why I have to go in and fill them in. I used to have pretty thick eyebrows until I started messing with them when I was like in high school / middle school-ish. I messed them up. I think we all went through that phase, but anyways, yeah. If you put too much product at the front of your brow, it's okay. You can always go out and brush them out. I really don't care how they look right now, as long as the sparse areas are filled in, because I'm going to be cleaning them up with concealer, which this is what I always do. So I'm just making sure all the, you know, sparse areas are filled in. And I'm going in with this. I'm going to be going in with this Morphe brush and this MAC NC25 concealer to clean up my eyebrows. And I'm really loving this brush, but I don't know what the name of this brush is, but I'll list it down below. So don't forget to check the bottom bar, guys. All the information, all the products that I always use are always listed down there. And I just want to, you know, clean up my eyebrow. Go with the natural shape that I have. This is why I don't really care how they look when I'm brushing them out. If I get product on the outer part of my eyebrow, it doesn't matter, because I clean them up with concealer. And then you just want to do the same to the top part. And don't be scared if it looks kind of crazy right now, because of course everything will be blended out. It's kind of hard to do this eyebrow because I'm left-handed, so yeah, when I do this eyebrow, I'm like, what the heck? I can barely get around to doing it. And it feels weird to put the brush on my right hand, so yeah. After that, I go in with my beauty blender and I blend out all those harsh lines, I guess, from the concealer to make them look real nice, as you can see. And there we go. We got nice clean eyebrows. How do they look, guys? Do they look good? After that, I go in with the Anastasia clear brow gel, you know, just to comb my hairs up and make them nice and pretty. And yeah, that is the final eyebrow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know some of you have been asking for this, so yeah, that's just how I do my eyebrows. And I'm just going to show you guys another like close-up. My eyebrows aren't the prettiest eyebrows, guys, but you know, I make them work. So yeah. Now I'm going to go do the rest of my face and show you guys what my makeup looks like. bam, you guys thought I was gonna do a freaking simple ass makeup look. No, I went full on glam for you guys. And if you guys wanna know how to get this makeup look, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and I will give you guys this video next week. Bye.